may know, some of you may not know, I had a rough few months. I've had a rough year, actually. That's why I haven't really been on YouTube. It's just been kind of hard to get myself inspired and all these things. It's all on me though, you know, because I can't blame the world, can I? It's been a rough time, and some of you guys who are on my email list know what happened. Or if you're on my Patreon, you know what happened. If not, it's a long ass story. But I basically got fired for asking for a raise, and it's a real bummer. It's working for a Japanese company that is like that. You know what I also found too is I really love Muji. Like, I love Muji. I have so many Muji things. But when I thought, oh, maybe I'll put my application to work at Muji, all the American employees were saying the same thing that I just went through, where there's discrimination, there is a lot of work for no pay. I just read like a lot of, actually a lot of everything that I went through are what people go through, especially if you're born and raised in the United States and you work for a Japanese company. I'm not gonna say all Asia, but for the handful of Japanese companies that I have worked for, it's really tough. It's really tough. I don't regret it. I learned a lot. There are a lot of good experiences, but I don't know. It's really hard. Just to give you guys a recap, my friend and I, we both decided to leave at the same time, and we decided to open up our own stationery store, our stationery focused stationery store. And we did an Indiegogo about a week ago. We have a week left. This is a random story, by the way. I was watching the Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star YouTube video and how they shot everything of like how it all worked, and you know, behind the scenes of getting their product to launch. And then I thought, there's not that many YouTube videos of people launching a retail shop, so I thought I would do the behind the scenes of that. And then in between, maybe I'll just add a few things that I learned, but today is more of like a vlog of that. So, big news, we haven't announced it. I think we're gonna announce it today, but we have a residency pop-up, more of, at a coffee shop in Pasadena, South Pasadena, called Two Kids, and they are lending us the front portion of their coffee shop for the month of November and December. And today is October 10th, so we have maybe a week and a half left, 2 weeks and a half left to get all our products in, our display, our merchandise that we're gonna have. There's a lot of moving wheels happening at the moment. So luckily everything we can do is online on our computer for now. We just placed a whole bunch of orders this past week, and we've been launching, where's my phone? We've been kind of showing sneak peeks of what we are getting for the store on our Instagram page, which is Paper Please Shop. So if you guys are curious, but it's on our Paper Please Shop, and we've been posting like we're gonna get some stickers, we're gonna get these awesome scissors from Japan. Anyways, it's all here. Little by little we'll be posting things, and so yeah, we're still ordering. And then within the midst of all this, we've had a friend approach us who wants to lend us money and also be sort of a investor, I guess. So we're in the works of doing that. And with this money will really help us get more inventory to show how much we can sell. We're really confident we can do really well for the 2-month pop-up, and for those 2 months hopefully we can have enough money to either a retail or somewhere close to where Two Kids is, to find something that we can call home. But yeah, just know that getting a small business loan is not easy. One, because you have to either have like a really good credit score, you have to have like a whole sales sheet of your business, like how much sales you've done within so many blah blah blah, like all these documentations, which were brand new, so we don't have anything. And then there's other ways to do it, like apply at a bank or whatnot, but then the interest rate goes up. So having our friend invest in us or lend us the money is really, really big. So very grateful, thank you. And okay, so while that's happening, we're also asking for our friends and family to help fund our Indiegogo, and that's been hard. And it's really crazy how the people you think that had your back would do more. I get it, if you can't donate money, I totally get it. But even like sharing or something, I don't know, you would think that, I don't know, I guess it's the same as a relationship where you can't expect anything because you'll get disappointed. Anyways, it's a real eye-opener for sure. So as we're asking for some donations on Indiegogo, we're also getting ready to promote on, not promote, we're also getting ready to launch on Kickstarter. After we open up the store, I want to add some footage of the store, of the merchandise that we're going to carry, all into a new video for Kickstarter. We've got a lot of really good advice from Kickstarter pros, so we're gonna apply that to the Kickstarter as well. Anyways, there's a lot of things going on. So today I actually hired someone on Upwork for a press release. I paid her, I finally got it like a couple days ago. I made a list for PR people, and I'm thinking of emailing all of the LA news forms, newsletters, LA blogs, influencers, anybody we can find to talk about this. I'm gonna send that out right now. I'm also trying to finalize our logo. My partner wants me to redo the pencil that I did. So I drew this pencil, but she wants it thinner, so I have to work on that as well. And then, oh my gosh, there's so many things. So because I'm also not working, I have decided to start selling things on eBay and Poshmark, if anyone's interested. So actually, I took a lot of photos of things that I need to post, but I haven't been able to do it yet, so I have to do that, because hopefully we'll get a sale and it'll help pay the bills. These are all the things you have to do. You gotta hustle to try to make things work, right? If not, I'm just gonna have to pick up a part-time job. As I own a store, I gotta pick up a part-time job and find something that'll work. But yeah, this is my life right now. So I'm gonna work on this, and yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. I have makeup on. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I got a semi-scholarship from this, what do you call it? This school for paper makers, greeting card makers, anything paper stationery related, or it can even actually be gift. I follow her podcast. It's called Proof to Product, and they now have a paper camp. Not now have, they've been doing it for the past 3 years now. I think they have like 2 schools a year, and now they just started offering online. And with my schedule, it was just really hard to go to it, and also it's very expensive. It is not very cheap, but everyone that I love and adore as a brand has gone through this school. So I've always wanted to go. I've applied for the scholarship. Last year didn't make it, and then this year I signed in for the online scholarship, and I didn't get first place, which is the full, but you get like a discount for the scholarship. And you know what? I was like, I'm gonna take it. Like what I was telling you in the beginning of the video, I don't have a full-time income at the moment, and so I kind of put my New Moon Paper Goods, my greeting cards brand, in the back burner for the store that I was working with before. That was my fault. So now I am really trying to bring it back and have it full force and have it like a full functioning brand and company, and I just want to start hiring. I want to expand my wholesale, so I'm taking these classes, and right now we get a phone call with a sales rep and we get to ask questions and things. So I'm waiting for them to log in, and yeah, and my class begins.